Hi everyone, kamusta?
Hi, hello everyone.
Good morning, hello, kamusta? Ayan, masarap yata ng kinakain mo.
Yes,
ano
McCafe, cheesy bacon wrap. I think from McCafe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Try this out, guys. Here in
Strawberry
Strawberry
Oreo wrap as well.
With our coffee session ngayon, ano bang pag-usapan natin?
Of course, the newly launched project ni Capital Town.
The Savoy Hotel.
Savoy Hotel.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. But before we dig into the Savoy Hotel with our coffee session today, let's take a look back yung mga successful project na ni Mega World before. So ano nga ba yung mga yun?
We have in, go ahead na.
In Boracay, sir.
Yes, we also have in Manila, malapit lang yon sa Naiya. So, ang ganda din ang location. The other one is, we just launched yung sa hotel din natin in in
Palawan. Palawan.
Excited ako dun sa ano. Anyway, yon. So, in Savoy, Palawan, nung nilaunch din yung project doon, in just 3 months sold out.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
possible here as well in San Fernando because it's the first 4-star hotel here in San Fernando.
I definitely agree naman. And actually, di ba, Mishi, we have witnessed talaga yung yung inventory na
Ng
movement
Palawan.
ng Palawan, sobrang
Yes.
bilis lang din na mabenta because we all know this Palawan is very famous sa Philippines, di ba?
You even visited there, di ba?
Yes.
For
Sana all.
Totoo.
Sa San
Oo.
Vicente, Palawan.
May vlog din tayo doon, so watch nyo din.
Here in Capital Town, Pampanga, of course, Savoy Hotel. Na-excite ako. Actually, as you see the progress, di ba? Yung roads na dadaanan na, and then yung mga buildings, nag-start ng mag-show up.
Yes.
So, continuous development. Nakaka-excite.
Yes.
Yes.
And speaking of development, imagine, di ba, it's a 35.6 hectare and there will be a hotel here in Pampanga.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes, ang ganda niya kasi it's not just a stand-alone hotel lang talaga, di ba? Just like with other hotels na pagbaba mo, wala nang
Correct.
di ba?
Totoo.
Pero may enjoy lang talaga is yung mga retail stores on the ground floor ng hotel. But with the Savoy Hotel kasi parang paglabas mo pa lang ng hotel, may mga mall na, may museum, shop houses, even yung largest McDonald's in the Philippines, halos kaharap lang din. So, very exciting talaga for all the Kapampangas as well.
Correct.
No need na to go to other locations just to book sa hotel, di ba? To enjoy the swimming pool. Ang daming amenities. Kasi nung sa Savoy Hotel din natin, diba? We have the fitness center, mga kids club, di ba? Memorize ko.
Memorize ko yung lahat ng amenities, of course.
And
Maybe they already watched yung reels natin, di ba?
Oo.
Yung
about the
Better to watch the 20 facts you must know when buying a hotel unit
here in
Savoy Hotel.
Capital Town, Pampanga.
Mega World.